Hello guys, my name is Aftab and welcome to our YouTube channel DevOps Tricks. And today's video we are going to show you how to deploy a Redis server on your Ubuntu machine using Ansible Playbook. So for this demonstration we need up and running Ansible server we have, and we need root access with target machine we have, and we need internet connectivity with nodes. So we have. So here we have our Ansible node. So check the connectivity with our target node of Redis. So Ansible all -m ping. So this command show you it is able to make connection with that machine. So we are good here, and we need to create our Redis playbook YAML, and this is YAML task. So just copy this command and execute here, and then we need to just copy entire task of YAML and then paste here. So all the things good. What we need to do, we need to just update the host name. So here I'm using Redis servers. So just close it and open your Ansible host file. So sudo vim/etc Ansible and then host. And here we need to update the host group. So it's a Redis server. This is looking good. And then we are able to execute the Ansible playbook. So it's gonna Ansible playbook, Redis-playbook, then press enter button. So it will make connection with your target machine, and it's started doing our task one by one like this. So we can see that there is no failure, there is no ignore, all the tasks get executed. Let's verify our Redis, it's working or not. To check Redis, we need to just log in our terminal using Redis CLI. So we can log in Redis shell, and then we need to just execute ping. So we should get form in the reply. So this is a demonstration to deploy Redis using Ansible Playbook. So you can use same procedure as per my blog. So what I will do, I will share this link in the description below, so you can follow that link and take the advantage of this blog. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel to get more information, more deep dive in DevOps tools. Thank you for watching.